Hola, hola muchachos y muchachas. Today it is parte 3 or part 3 of El Camino, the pathway through Roswell, nature walk, or natural camino. So here's, remember down there, this is the beginning, like this is near the beginning. Now we're gonna continue down to here. Before I was showing you a la derecha, when to the right, but now we're going to the left. As you can see, mud puddle. The bamboo extends over here. Bamboo brush. Some other people over there, I believe. Then there's what I call the east side part, because it's like the east side has east side right on there. Not sure if it's the east at all, but I guess they're talking about when you're right here, the sun would be rising there, not just falling there. So let's continue anyway. Toward here you can see more rocks, people, apartamentos. There's a pathway right here you can get over there. It's like a park. Un parque por apartamentos, gente. See. This dirt road continues on for a bit. So there's plenty of rocks along the dirt road. Flores. Continues a bit further. As you can see down there. Sorry. Looking at some other stuff. Another pathway leading up to the apartments. Some more felled trees. Some people, I believe, are further down. Pathway to the river. Second pathway. Segundo camino. Go over here. El Rio. Okay guys, this is part This is parte 3. Adios. Adios, guys.